About 700 million years ago, Earth turned into a snowball. The polar ice sheets expanded until they engulfed the globe. The oceans turned to slush. The vast expanses of ice and snow reflected the sun's light back into space, exacerbating the endless winter. Temporary relief came in the form of massive volcanic eruptions, which spewed carbon dioxide into the atmosphere and triggered a period of global warming. But that too spiraled out of control. Earth became a greenhouse. Its oceans hot enough to cook their inhabitants, its blighted landscape further ravaged by floods. Then, suddenly, something about the shifting continents or ash-darkened skies prompted the planet to cool again. The snowball returned. It's hard to imagine a less auspicious time to be a tiny creature trying to eke out an existence. But this period, called the Cryogenian, is when complex animal life got going. From the wreckage of this ice and fire-scourged planet emerged the evolutionary group that would give rise to jellyfish and corals, mollusks, snails, fish, dinosaurs, beetles, birds and, eventually, all of us. This is no coincidence, scientists say. In a paper published this week in the journal Nature, researchers reported that the appearance of complex, multicellular animals is inextricably linked to a boom in algae enabled by the same destructive forces that made the Cryogenian seem so hellish. The work helps us answer the question why we exist, lead author Jochen Brox wrote in an email. And it may help scientists determine what conditions would be needed for complex organisms to evolve on alien worlds. Life has existed on Earth for almost as long as Earth has been around. Every few months, it seems, researchers uncover ever more ancient rocks they claim contain the world's oldest fossils. But the creatures that inhabited our planet for its first 3 billion years were tiny, simple, mostly single-celled bacteria. But about 650 million years ago? During the brief warm spell between Earth's snowball periods? More sophisticated creatures started to evolve. They had rudimentary tissues, including neurons, and they swiftly diversified into the various animal groups we recognize today.